Hi friends, Benny Magic Grammarലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. So in the last two classes we were dealing with what? Gerunds and present participle. You are still confused. ഇപ്പോഴും ആ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ മാറിയിട്ടില്ല എന്നെനിക്കറിയാം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ അതൊന്നുകൂടെ ക്ലാരിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് കുറച്ച് എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് തരാം എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. So first of all we can look or we can go to gerund. What's a gerund? Gerund is the ing form of the verb used as a noun. And what is present participle? Present participle is also ing form of the verb, but it is not used as a noun, but it is used as an adjective and as a verb tense. In the progressive tenses or in the continuous tenses, we are using present participles. അത്രയും മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ. Present participles are used as an adjective, at the same time it is used as verb tense. Gerund എന്തായിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന gerund we are using as only nouns. That much clear. I will give you one example using the verb travel. What is the ing form of travel? Traveling. Understood? ഇനി gerund ആയിട്ട് traveling എങ്ങനെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം? Traveling is an interesting experience. Traveling is an interesting experience. Here traveling is used as a noun here. At the same time it is the subject of the sentence. Traveling is used as a noun, at the same time it is the subject of the sentence. So here traveling is used as a gerund. Then the people loves traveling. The people loves traveling. The people loves what? Traveling. Here traveling is used as the object of the sentence. At the same time it is a noun. So traveling here is used as a gerund. Understood? And third sentence, Mary was fond of traveling. Here traveling is the object of the preposition of. Understood? Mary was fond of what? Traveling. So here also traveling, even though it is the object of the preposition of, it is a noun. So here also traveling is used as what? Gerund. Appa clear ആയല്ലോ? The gerund ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം traveling subject ആയിട്ട് വന്നു, object ആയിട്ട് വന്നു, object of a preposition ആയിട്ടും വന്നു. എന്ത് തന്നെയാണെങ്കിലും traveling എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് noun ആണ്. So it is a gerund. It is used as what? Gerund. Again we can go to another example. He is traveling to England. He is traveling to England. Here traveling is used as a verb tense. When traveling joins with is, the sentence is changed to present continuous tense. So it is an example of present participle. So here traveling is used as present participle. Then you will be traveling by bus. You will be traveling by bus. Here also traveling is used as what? A verb tense. When traveling joins with will be, it changes to future continuous tense. So here also traveling is what? Traveling is a present participle. The traveling man arrived in time. The traveling man arrived in time. Here traveling is an adjective. So it is an example of what? Present participle. അപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? So gerund is always used as a noun, and present participles are always used as adjectives and verb tenses. അത്രയും മനസ്സിലായോ? ഇനി നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് എക്സാമ്പിൾസിലേക്ക് പോവാം. അപ്പം ആലോചിച്ചിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഉത്തരം പറയാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ജെയിംസ് ലവ്സ് റൈറ്റിംഗ് poems. James loves writing poems. So writing is a noun here. So it is an example of what? Example of gerund. The boy was riding his bicycle. The boy was riding his bicycle. Here riding is used as a verb tense. It is a verb, and is when riding joins with was, it changes to past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So riding is an example of present participle. Then after sitting home he was bored. After sitting home he was bored. So sitting is a noun here. It is an example of gerund. Sitting is used as a noun here, so it is an example of gerund. Staring at people is rude. Staring at people is rude. Staring is an example of a noun, so staring is used as a gerund. The class watched the interesting film. The class watched the interesting film. Here interesting is used as what? Interesting is used as present participle. Interesting is an adjective. So interesting is used as present participle. Crying, Meera asked for a towel. Crying, put a comma, Meera asked for a towel. So crying here used as a verb. So it is an example of present participle. അപ്പം present participle എന്താണ്, gerund എന്താണ് എന്ന് കൃത്യമായി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. I will give you one more example. Working under scorching sunlight is very difficult. Working under scorching sunlight is very difficult. Here working, working, working is used as what? A noun. At the same time it is the subject of the sentence also. So working is a gerund. Working under the scorching sunlight, SCORCHING, scorching, scorching sunlight. Here scorching is used as an adjective, so it is an example of present participle. So working under scorching sunlight is very difficult. Here working is a gerund and scorching is what? Scorching is present participle. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് പഠിച്ച ജെറണ്ടും പ്രസൻറ്റ് പാർട്ടിസിപ്പിളും നന്നായി മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് ഡു ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്. താങ്ക് യു. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.